Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I hope everyone is doing good. Recently we are posting lots of good videos for you, so don't forget to watch them out after you watch this video. So today we are going to solve another interesting Leetcode coding problem 3206, alternating groups 1. So this is another array related coding problem that we are going to go through this problem, understand this problem today with some examples and implement our Java solution code. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel now. It really helps and supports this channel. Here we create videos to help others in their Java and coding interviews by showing them how to solve different problems. More than 500 different varieties of problems are solved and explained using whiteboarding sessions and examples for your clear understandings here. So let's start with the problem statement for this alternating groups problem. There is a circle of red and blue tiles. You are given an array of integer colors. The color of tile I is represented by color psi. Color psi is 0, it means that it's a red color, and color psi 1 means blue color. Every three contiguous tiles in circle with alternating colors. The middle tile has a different color from its left and right is called alternating group. Return number of alternating groups. Okay. Note that the colors represent circle. The first and last tiles are considered to be next to each other. Okay, so they have given us this one, and we'll go through some examples. The constant says that the colors dot length is between 3 to 100. So maximum 100 colors will be given to us, and colors will be 0 and 1 basically, right? 0 or 1 for that. So let's take a look at some example here. Let's take this example. Okay, second example. So here you can see that these are the colors, right? So 0 is blue, 0 is let's see, 0 is red and 1 is blue, right? So 0 1 0 0 1. So this is what is given to us. So if you draw a picture, then the picture will look like this basically, right? 0 1, then this is 0 0 1, right? So it means that red blue red red blue. So now you want to identify how many groups are there actually, right? How many groups are there here. So let us copy this image, take it here and paste it here. So this is the pasted image. So let me just minimize this one a little bit. Okay, so now what they are asking us to do is we want to find out the groups here, right? So what can be a group? So let us see these groups here. So the group can be alternating color group. For example, this is a one group, right? So 401, this is one group, right? Why it is one group? Because these are alternating color, right? Blue, red, blue. So this is alternating one group you can see here, right? Is there any other group? Oh yeah, here another group. So this is another group which is having alternating colors, right? So this is red, blue and red. So this is alternating group. Okay. Any other group here that is alternating? Yeah, there is one more, which is that here, right? So this is alternating group, correct? Red, blue, red, right? So how many total we found here? We found three alternating groups, right? So this is what we want to find, three alternating groups, right? So you understood this, right? Now these 3 and 2 you cannot take because they are not alternating, right? They are same color, so you cannot take that in your group. Okay, so I shown you what are those alternating groups. You can see the same thing here. They have highlighted it here nicely, right? So this is one group, then this second group, this third group, right? Alternating colors. So this is what we want to find out, how many such groups are there in the given array. So how can we find out that? So basically when you want to find out alternating groups, what do you want to typically do? You want to take a look at three things, right? Three things. So let's say group of three, right? Everything is group of three basically. So this middle element, the left element and the right element, if they are having different colors, right, then it's alternating group. So this 0 and 1 is different, 1 and 0 is different, and this should match, 0 and 0 should match. Then it is called as alternating group, correct? So you understood this, right? This is what the alternating group means. Also, one thing is that we can actually, what they are saying is this one is back actually attached with 0 because it's a circle, right? So this can be one more group. What is one more group? This is a group basically, right? So it is 1, then 0, then 1, right? 1 0 1 because it's a circle, correct? 1 0 1. So how will we handle that circle situation? So you now understood the concept that we will find out three things. We will find out what is the middle color, what is the left color, and what is the right color. If three things we know, right, and if they are forming this condition where your middle is different than left and right, right, and your left and right are matching, then it means that it's a forming alternating group, right? But now how will we handle the circle situation, right? Because one is connected to 0. So it means that these I just denoted here the indexes for this array, right? So these are the indexes 0 1 2 3 4, right? So these are the indexes. So now after this, if I want to connect this 4 with 0, what we have to do? So typically what comes after 4? 5, right? 5 comes here. So there is no 5 basically, because it's not array is only until 4. So what you do? 5 mod the size of array. So the size of array is 5, correct? So 5 mod 5 will give you 0, which will basically give you this element, right? 0 is this element, which means that you can easily form the circle basically in that and take care of out of boundary condition of array. So I will show you the code, but now you kind of understanding where we are going, I think. So it's a very simple code. So number of alternating groups is what we are implementing here. Integer array colors is given to us. This is going to return int, which is the number of groups that we found actually, right? So group count is the count for the groups. Colors dot length will give us the length of the array, and we have a for loop here which is 0 to n I plus plus. So here three things we will always take, right, as I told you. So left is colors I, middle is colors of I plus 1 mod n, and right is colors of I plus 2 mod n, right, this mod n. So it will give us three things, left, middle and right. And once we get the three things here, right, once we get the three things, what we will do here, then we have to just check if the middle should not be equal to left and it should not be equal to right, and left and right should be equal. Then we will found out alternating group, we'll count it basically, and then we'll keep looping in this for loop and try to find out any other alternating groups basically, right? And at the end you have to just return the group count, and it will tell you the number of alternating groups that you found when you iterate this array, right? So this is how we can implement this code. So this I plus 1 mod n, this will take care of out of boundary situation, right? So you will never go out of boundary because of that mod n, because we are limiting it to that array size basically, right, as I shown you here. So when you have 5, then 5 mod 5 will give you 0, so you actually will be looking at the 0th element, right? So you will never go out of boundary. And three things we always consider: left, right, left, middle and right, because three, it's a group of three basically, right? So, and you have to just make sure that left and middle is not matching, and middle and right is not matching, but left and right should match, right? Then it's alternating. So this is how we can implement it. So now you understood this, so we will now run this code, and this is a for loop, so you keep looping in this for loop, and at the end you will just have to return the group count. Okay, so we'll submit run this code against the test cases, make sure it passes the test cases that we have. So here it's passing the test cases, as you can see here, and now we'll submit this code to the Leetcode, make sure the code gets accepted here. And the code is successfully accepted on 96.53 percentile on performance, which is a pretty good code to solve this coding problem on Leetcode 3206 alternating groups 1. So now here let's talk about the time and a space complexity of this code, right? So since we have a for loop, right, it means that your time complexity for the code is going to be order of n, right? So it's order of n, where n is total number of colors that are given in that colors array, right? Because we are iterating through that array. So space complexity for this code is going to be order of 1. This is also called by many people as constant. Because why it's order of 1? Because we did not use any data structures such as a array list, linked list or hash map, hash set, nothing, right? To store information, we are not really storing any information. Variables do not count over space, so it means that it's a constant, this solution is constant on space, right? So this is how you can implement this code. and solve this coding problem. So I hope with the concept of left, middle and right, correct, and middle and left should not be equal, middle and right should not be equal, and left and right should be equal, right? Then you found the alternating group. So this is how you can solve this problem. So I hope this example and this whiteboarding session helped you understand this problem in an easier and better way. And if it did, then please give it a thumbs up to this video, give it a like to this video, subscribe to this channel. Your subscription is really important. It really helps and supports this channel. It takes lots of efforts to create these videos, if you want to appreciate it and if you want to be a little generous, then if you like these videos, then do give it a like and subscribe and share it with your friends so they can also watch and learn from these videos different techniques of problem solving and implementations. More than 500 solved coding problems are here explained just like this one with whiteboarding sessions for your easier understanding. Important concepts such as graphs, matrices, binary search trees, binary trees, different data structures such as stacks, queues, priority queues, min heap, max heap. So everything is here for you to help you in your interview preparation process. Keep learning, keep coding, keep solving more varieties of coding problems, and thanks for watching this video and have a great day ahead.